Yo, hope everyone's well and having a good trading week. It is the first proper week of January and 2025. So I hope you all had an amazing Christmas and a great New Year. And let's hope that 2025 is going to be another great year as well. So looking at GU on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so just ask yourself, where's price been? So price was trading like quite consolidated here, ran up higher. Okay, took out this high, so people shorted. Took out that high, took out this high as well. So look to the left. These three candles here. What's that? That's a bearish order block. You have a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here, and you got buy side. So that's three things potentially price could turn around, right? So SIBI, buy side, and order block here. Okay, so keeping the order block in mind. This candle here, 6 o'clock closure, is a bearish candle, right? So that is what we want to be looking for. This candle here. And so we go for here. So it closed at 7 o'clock. So 6:59. 6:59 is there. Okay, so now we're just looking for a potential order block on the 5 minute time frame, right? So we want to see a change in state and delivery, which there's a high there, or there's an inefficiency here. So it's ran into that. And does it start trading lower? It does. So where's the order block here? So that's the order block there. So draw this across. Okay, I want to see price leave this first, and then come back into it. So there. So it's left it here, come back into it. It's a little choppy, but it still has come back into it. And now we're just waiting for price to create a breaker. So high, low, high, high. I want to wait for a lower low here, and these three candles would be the breaker to this push lower. And where does price want to potentially go to? Well, there's a lot of inefficiency here, this sell side down here, a lot of liquidity here, and sorry, not inefficiency. So this sell side here and sell side down here will be the targets for this session, or the session coming up as well. But that'd be the lowest fruit from the tree, this target here. Draw from there to make sure that you're selling in a premium. So price is in the premium there, which is another tick. Looking at dollar. Okay, so dollar has bounced off this BISI, taken sell side here, hasn't tapped into the midpoint of the wick, and this order block here, tapped into that. Daily opening gap here, so that could be a strong draw on liquidity. Buy side, inefficiency here. So that potentially be where dollar wants to go to. Yo, hope everyone's well. Have a good trading week. Yesterday I was making a video that I was short GU, so my bias was short. I'm happy that it turned out well, and I'm going to get into a setup for you guys. So if you guys don't trade how I trade, I'm sure you guys can find a setup between this price leg here. But yeah, let's jump straight to the setup that I saw. So I'm sure you've just seen that I was looking around this area here for the bullish order block. So let's make that grey here. So this is the bullish order block that I was spotted here. So it ran up higher into this inefficiency here. It changed state of delivery, so it ran lower. Price came back into it at 8:30. So basically what I want to see is a breaker. So there's a low, or there's a higher high, then a lower low. So here, these three candles is the breaker. So here, draw that across, make that red. Okay, is there a fair value gap in between this breaker? There is here. So that'd be my entry. Let's make that purple. So that'll be my entry here. What time is that? 8:54. A macro. Okay, so where's our stops going to be? Well, clearly there's an inefficiency here, so price could always want to end up going higher, tapping that into there, which it does there. At 9:08, another macro. Well, it's the same macro, but that'd be a nice entry right there. And yes, your stops would have to just be higher than that, so potentially either that high there or in between this wick, that midpoint, that high. So anywhere above there. And yeah, news came out at 10 o'clock, so I think it was PMI, Price Manufacturer Index, I'm pretty sure, and started trading lower, and then just went sideways, so accumulated in price, and then end up dropping lower. There we go here. So hope you guys enjoyed how I found the bias to go short. There was SMT divergence as well, so GU made a higher high. Take a look at Euro. Euro made a higher low, and dollar made a higher low, lower high there, and then dollar made a higher a lower high, a higher low. Sorry, but yeah, they opened a gap here, so dollars just ran into that. Next draw would probably be this high. Get the midpoint of that as well. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. Euro, I'm sure you guys again can find a trade set up. I'll go through it quickly with you guys. So same thing here. So looking for a bearish order block. There we go, these candles here. Runs into this inefficiency, change its state in delivery, draw that across. This low here, check this low, the 635 up here. So where it says the L, that's how you can tell the candles. So the low is 4052. The high of this candle here is 4053. So it went up literally a pipette, so it tapped into this bearish order block. Okay, so if we're watching price here, let's go into the 1 minute time frame. So it's ran into the bearish order block, high, low, high, high. Let's wait for it to make a lower low. So clean. Where's this fair value gap? It's in line with what? The breaker. That's very clean. There, that's your entry. And what happens here? It floods down. This literally could be your lowest fruit from the tree there. So it could be something like this. Stops just above there, or you can literally be very tight, but I'll just go there. Lowest fruit from the tree, a nice 2 to 1. However, if you wanted to keep holding, so look on the hourly, that could be your first target, second target, third target, fourth target down here. And yeah, let's see if price runs without taking you out, and it does. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be posting a lot more on YouTube hopefully, and I'm going to be more involved on my Discord group. So honestly, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, I will literally be so active. I can answer back, I can try and help you guys out, and you can talk to each other, because I definitely know how it feels if you're trading and you don't know anyone. It could be very lonely, so talking to someone about it is actually quite good. Just literally just talk anything, get it off your chest. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and if you liked, subscribe, like the video, and I will see you on the next one, and let's have a good new year. Be safe.